Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a PS4 controller on a Nintendo Switch without an adapter. Unfortunately, a direct connection between a PlayStation 4 controller and a Nintendo Switch console is not natively supported. The two systems utilize distinct Bluetooth communication protocols, making direct wireless pairing impossible. This means you cannot simply connect your PS4 controller to your Switch without additional hardware. The primary reason for this incompatibility lies in the differing Bluetooth standards employed by each console. Nintendo Switch controllers, like the Joy-Cons and Pro controller, use a specific Bluetooth profile designed for their ecosystem. Conversely, PlayStation 4 controllers, such as the DualShock 4, operate on a distinct, proprietary Bluetooth standard. These technical differences mean the Switch cannot natively recognize or communicate with a PS4 controller. Many users hope for a hidden setting or a future software update to enable this functionality. However, there is no native solution built into either the Nintendo Switch or the PlayStation 4 that allows for direct controller cross-compatibility. Firmware updates primarily enhance existing features or fix bugs. They do not typically introduce entirely new hardware compatibility across different manufacturers' proprietary systems. Given the technical limitations, the sole method to successfully use a PlayStation 4 controller with your Nintendo Switch is through a compatible third-party adapter. These clever devices act as an essential intermediary, translating the controller's signals so the Switch can recognize and respond to them. Without this hardware bridge, direct cross-console controller functionality is simply not possible, making an adapter the 100% necessary component for this setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.